Welcome to the Hiking Challenge. My name is Jacob Cooley with the Outdoor Adventure Leadership major at Utah State University. I'll be showing you how to use the Avenza app on Android devices. If you have Apple, we have another video for that. Today we'll be showing you on the Android. So what you'll need today is you'll need the 2024 Hiking Challenge packet, which got a lot of useful information, but most importantly, we have these nice maps for you that you'll be using with the Avenza app, and I'll show you how to do that today. So with the Avenza app, I'll show you how to download that real quick. So you'll want to go to your app store. The Play Store is where I usually go to, and then you'll just want to search Avenza, and you'll be looking for the app right here that says Avenza Maps Offline Mapping. And you'll just want to download that and then open that up. So with Avenza, you can do the full version, the free version, which gives you 3 free maps that you can use it for 3 maps, and you'll have to download it, delete those apps if you want to do any additional ones. If you want to do more, you can pay for the full version. It's $33 for the year. And you can have unlimited maps with that one. But Avenza, what we use it for is it tracks your progress. You can track your speed and your location, and you can view all these electronic maps that you have downloaded on there. So I'll go ahead and open up Avenza, and from here I'll show you how to download a map. So first, you'll want to get your map ready and have your QR code down at the bottom. You'll take your phone and you'll click the plus button in the bottom corner and hit download or import a map. And then you'll go up to the top right corner, and it'll have a little QR code scanner you can use to scan that QR code at the bottom, and it'll import that map right away. And it will show up right there on your phone screen. And then you can just click on that and view the map there. With it, you can see all these interesting features that you'll be using as you go. You can use the location to track your location on there. And then tracking tab will show you your speed, distance, your duration of hiking, and then your average speed there. Navigation is a little bit more advanced, so we won't be going over that today. But the two that you'll be using most are the location and tracking features there. But anyway, that's Avenza. Once again, I'm with the Outdoor Adventure Leadership here at Utah State University, and welcome to our hiking challenge. Hope to see you on the trails.